Your money could double, even triple, without you working any harder if you understand one simple principle. Welcome back to Investing Essentials for Beginners. Before we dive deeper into how investments grow, there's a concept you absolutely need to understand because it's the foundation of long-term wealth building: compound interest. Many people call it the engine that drives investing. Einstein even described it as the eighth wonder of the world. And once you understand how it works, you will see why. Now, I already have a full visual breakdown on this concept in a dedicated video. So, in this lesson, you'll get a clear overview and then you watch that video for the full demonstration. When you invest, your money doesn't just grow from your contribution, it grows from your returns. And over time, something powerful happens. Your returns begin to earn returns. That's the compounding effect. And it creates a snowball that gets larger the longer it rolls. Here are the key things to remember. Compounding rewards consistency and time. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. It works best when you stay invested and avoid unnecessary interruptions. This is why investing has the potential to outperform savings alone. Savings grow in a straight line, but investment grows exponentially. To make this concept come alive visually, please watch the next video, What is Compound Interest, and watch your savings explode with this simple trick. Inside the video, you will learn how compounding works step by step, real life examples, a simple formula you can apply, why starting early gives you a huge advantage, how combining compounding with your monthly investing accelerates growth. After watching the video, take a moment to reflect on two key questions. What long-term goal do I want compound interest to help me achieve? When can I realistically start investing so compound interest begins to work in my favor? These reflections prepare you perfectly for the next module, where we start looking at tax-efficient accounts that can help you grow your money even faster. Understanding compound interest is like unlocking the secrets behind why investing works. Once this clicks, everything else in your investment journey becomes clearer and more exciting. Go ahead and watch the video now, and when you're ready, join me in the next lesson where we explore investment accounts that maximize your growth. You're doing brilliantly so far. I'll see you in the next module.